How to earn money online without investment through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you do not need any investment to start this work. All you need to do is identify a few key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to potential clients by sharing some sample work. If you're good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days, many businesses are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. Based on the kind of work you offer, you can easily find high-paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing sites include that offer genuine work. Freelance India, 99 Designs, Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr.